Hey, what's up YouTube? Bicknup here. I was at my local Target today and going through the cards they had there, and I found this Naruto Shippuden collectible card game. I don't know anything about Naruto. It just looked pretty cool, so I figured I'd open it. Give me 1 sec, 'cause I am actually filming on my iPhone yet again. Let's see my car. What a trucker. Hold on, guys. I'm going to work on getting an actual camera for you guys, so. Hate this cards. Of course, probably holding it with my camera doesn't help. Or, holding one hand with my camera doesn't help. Give me 1 second, guys. Alright, so I finally got it open. Let's see what we got. Neji Hyuga. Don't know anything about any of these cards, so. Alright. Oh, what's this one? Barrier Battle Arts. Looks interesting. What's this? Stunning Strike. Okay. Orochimaru. Interesting with all the snakes. Oh. Another Stunning Strike, but this one's shinier. Okay. Pretty cool. Hinata Hyuga. Looks weird. Pain. What the? Some of these cards. Oh, Naruto. There we go. Pretty cool. It's the actual Naruto card. And last one is Kurenai Yuhi. Not sure if it's one of the main characters or not. Looks really familiar. I didn't watch the anime or anything, so can't really tell you. So, that's it. You know, something small, I know. As I said, I'm going to try to work on getting a better camera for you guys. So, hope you enjoyed it. Let me know.